Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle. Welcome to the family. It's my favorite time of season. And we are currently towards the end of November, which is absolutely crazy to even say, to hear it come out of my mouth. But we are almost at the end of November, which is very exciting because our winter FabFitFun box has arrived, and I am so excited to unbox this with all you guys. I'm excited to give you a peek inside of some of the stuff that I customized my box with, how I wanted to spend this season, all of it. I'm very excited. We're gonna dig right into it. You guys know the drill. I have not opened, well, I've cut the tape, so it's a little easier if you're not seeing me do that on video, but I have not seen anything in here. We're gonna walk through everything together. I'm gonna tell you guys the price, all of it, and we're gonna get the season started on a good note. So let's hop on in. First off, you made it. You made the nice list, I hope. It's been a year, guys. It's been a year. I hope I made the nice list. But let's take a peeky inside. It's pretty. It's pretty. FabFitFun is a nice place where nice people get nice things at nice prices. Yes, it is, and I love this. This feels very festive for however you celebrate the season. Very festive. And it says happiest holidays. Very, very cute, very pretty. I'm losing things. Losing them. All right, I'm putting it down, okay. So up at the very top, we actually have a holiday card, which is very cute from the FabFitFun team. And then we have a little giveaway prize pack that you can do that you can enter and see if you win. And then of course we have our HelloFresh that they give us 12 free meals in here. And I'm a huge fan of HelloFresh. I've done it off on, just kind of at times when I need a little boost in the kitchen. I use my HelloFresh from FabFitFun. All right, diving straight in. We're gonna get right into the box. All right, first thing first. This is my sister esthetician approved, which is great to see. This is First Aid Beauty. This is the Bronze and Glow Drops. It is safe for sensitive skin. This girl right here, sensitive skin. But I love the bottle you see right up at the top. It's got the perfect little thing for it. Directions: shake before use, apply drops to create a custom glow layered or mixed with skincare and or makeup, which I love. A nice little bottle, very cute. This is $28, but First Aid Beauty, I've used First Aid Beauty before. I have not used this product. Give it a try. Next thing in here is this Cura Moon Reset Roller. This is $24. I can't wait to freeze this. Mine has been stolen. So I saw it, I'm like, you know what, we're getting a new one. But very nice. Nice little roller. And what is great about this, it restores your skin's natural radiance with this lifting and toning massage roller. Its unique pressure points work to stimulate circulation and reduce puffiness for a more glowy, snatched complexion. It reduces facial puffiness, promote lymphatic drainage, relieve muscle tension, improve skin's radiance, enhance facial features, and improve product absorption. How to use: apply gentle pressure and roll in sweeping motions along forehead, face contours, jaw, and neck. I'm here for it. I'm gonna put this, you think I'm kidding, it's going straight into my freezer to use. Like I said, $24. From Cura Moon. All right, the next thing in here are these Lemmy Curve. These are the glucose and craving support capsules. This is $40. Miss Kourtney Kardashian herself, this is her new project. This is her new line. It's a bitter melon and greens blend. Manage cravings, gluten-free, non-GMO, and glucose support. There's 60 pills in here. First off, love the branding. You guys know I'm a sucker for packaging, and I love these. I'm a fan of these types of capsules, vitamins, anything that, whatever you want to call it, dietary supplements, because especially for someone who's working from home, it is incredibly easy for me to walk to my pantry, grab something that's absolutely crappy for me out of my pantry, and sit at my desk and munch on it without realizing that I've emptied the entire bag. This stuff helps because it just keeps my mind off of it. And I've had experience with things like this before, so I'm excited to try this one and see how it works. Adults take 2 capsules daily, preferably with food. And so I'm excited to see how this works and if if this is a good one, because I'll really start using it on a regular basis. So $40, Let Me Curb Craving Support is this one. I'm excited to use it, see how it goes. All right, next one in here. This is the Ana Luisa Ina necklace. You guys know I'm a sucker for jewelry. This is priced at $75. But I saw this and I was like, yep. Anytime I have jewelry in mind, like if it really speaks to me, it's coming with me pretty quickly. But it's just this beautiful, it's this thicker chain. I'm seeing a lot of these in here right now. It's longer, which I appreciate. Like I can wear it with this guy pretty easily. Like it's just a beautiful, nice chain. I've seen a lot of people wearing these. These are coming back this winter, but I'm really excited to wear this. And I love my gold jewelry. Like I love my gold jewelry. And I love layering like my Majuri or my D with like necklaces like this that are a little thicker or have something to it, just to add to that nice little difference. That doesn't have like a charm or something on it. But this is Ana Luisa. This is the Ina necklace, $75. Ready to wear. I'm so excited to wear this. All right. I am not usually a big lippy girl because my lips are so dry 24/7. So I'm constantly like, I have Vaseline stuff I'm always putting on my lips. But I saw this and wanted to give it a try. This is Tower 28. I've seen so many people use this brand, so I was like, I'm gonna give it a try, which is what I love about FabFitFun. You can give things a try. So this is their Tower 28. This is the Beauty Juice Balm Lip Balm Bundle in Milk and Shake. So this one, first of all, this darker one is mixed. Very pretty. It is darker. And then we got Shake. So it has shea butter and natural oils in it, which might be really good right now. The dry lippy in me. Ooh, ooh, I don't know. This one's tempting. This one. So I got these to try them out. I'm very, very excited. Tinted lip balm. We're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see which one fits better for my lippis, which color. Tower 28, the 2 of those, mix and shake, $32. And the last but not least item in this beautiful box. So this is from Brock Your Body, which I love. There are 2 in here. They are mini round ceramic coquette, I hope I'm saying that correctly, sets in here. And this is priced at $48. Oh, I have them upside down. Do that. And I've seen these. I haven't seen this brand, but I've seen these all over the place. And I was intrigued. I wanted to get some of my own. And they're really pretty colors. So it's like this ivory white color going on. And it's really cute. Look at that. We have a greenish color in here. Perfect for the holidays. My hands are shaking. I'm so excited. I love the packaging of this too. Like this makes it so fun. Like all the vegetables and fruits on the outside. They're so cute. I cannot wait to use these. Get ready for the chilliness. All right, y'all, so that is everything inside this season's winter FabFitFun stuff for me. This is everything I picked. I'm gonna have everything linked down below, so please go check it out. Go get your own FabFitFun box, you guys. I love this box. I've been doing this for almost 6 years now. I've never been disappointed. I absolutely love these. I think they are great gifts as well. I have so many people that I've gifted these to. And have gone and gotten their own boxes. It's so good. There's so many choices. Go get your own. But I hope you guys have a magnificent winter season. I hope you guys have a great holiday season. And as always, I will see you guys back here next time. Bye, y'all.